Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm at Prime Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz, and Airstream in Scarborough, Maine. Beside me is a very unique model. This is a 2020 Airstream Interstate 19. That's their Shorty edition. Now, what's so special about this model is it's a 4x4, so a four-wheel drive version, upgraded suspension, a couple things that make it unique. As we get closer to our winter months, we like to display and showcase some of our more off-road and capable models. This 4x4 is just that. What's unique about our dealership, we're Mercedes-Benz and we're Airstream. We're one of 3 dealerships in the country that sell and service both portions of this vehicle. So the Mercedes-Benz portion, engine, transmission, drivetrain, the chassis is serviced at a Mercedes-Benz dealership, and our Airstream certified technicians work on all of your Coach products. So easy servicing, sales here as well. So let's talk about this model a little bit. This is a 2020, as I mentioned, Airstream Interstate 19, finished in a beautiful black. The new 2019 model is on their redesigned Sprinter chassis. So this new modern front end here, you have these beautiful LED taillights. All these bumpers are styled and added from Airstream themselves, so they completely customize the vehicle. They buy a fully loaded Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and then just go absolutely wild with it, customizing every single piece of trim and interior, exterior part. Mercedes-Benz wheels. It's a beautiful line running along here. Now, what's unique about the Shorty is it's a 19-foot vehicle. What that means is anywhere you can drive it, a large extended cab pickup truck, you can operate this vehicle. It makes it easy, very maneuverable. Safety sensors, parking systems make it all stress-free driving. A lot of great features, a lot of cool stuff. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Inside our Airstream 4x4 19, we'll start with our front cabin. So this is where you'll drive the vehicle, of course, and we'll start by taking a look at our steering wheel and dashboard. Now, what's unique about this vehicle and this new Sprinter design is that Mercedes-Benz has incorporated a lot of parts and accessories and technology from their automotive side into the Sprinter. So what that means is this new leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control functions on the left, volume, phone operation on the right. You have, for the first time, power seats, heated seats in the Airstream as well. And then this center screen here controls all of our navigation, our Bluetooth, our multimedia. It's the MBUX system from Mercedes-Benz. So what our new 2020 Mercedes car models are equipped with is the same technology you'll find in this vehicle. Again, for the first time in Airstream Interstate models, the active driving features from Mercedes-Benz are now available. So that includes radar guided cruise control, your lane keep assist, all of these extra safety features that are now available, and great pieces to have, especially if you're using this for a cross-country journey. Climate control systems down below. You do have an automatic door opener, which I'll show you a little bit further on in the video. Automatic lights, rain sensing automatic wipers. Again, easy to maneuver. When you put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see here a great piece of this is its 360 cameras. So you have your top-down view, your rear view camera, your wide-angle lens, and then a front view camera as well. So all these extra options, really a nice piece to have, especially when you're trying to maneuver a larger vehicle like this. A lot of great features moving forward into the cabin, so let's take a closer look. So as we move further back into the cabin of the Interstate, we start to see a look at how they've designed everything to be as efficient as possible. Now, as you enter the vehicle, you can from the driver and passenger door, but you do have an automatic door here, which you can operate from the key fob, from your center dash, or from that button right there on the side. So the first time Airstream offers that full automatic sliding door, you have a slide out step that comes out automatically on its own as soon as that door opens. And another great feature is this sliding screen, something unique you don't see on a lot of other brands' vehicles, but a nice little addition to have. When you want to close it up, you can press the button on the side of that door panel on your key fob, wherever you want to use it. And then as you move further back into the cabin, you enter right into kind of your little galley kitchen area. Now you do have onboard fresh gray and black water tanks for all of your waste cleansing, showering, and then cooking and water needs. In here is your sink. You have an extra kind of like a cutting board surface on top. Again, Airstream trying to maximize as much space as they can. Over here you have a 2-burner LP stove, so this runs off an onboard propane tank stored within the chassis. Also included in there is a 3.2 kilowatt LP generator, so your generator runs right off of that propane tank. Helps run all of your electrical systems, your AC, your heating. All those things can be run whether you're plugged into shore power or using your generator. Now, lots of storage all along here, and inside here is your bathroom area. So this is a full wet bath. You have a shower, toilet sink combination, and then as you'll see, signature to Airstream is their use of aluminum material in the construction. So unlike a lot of other vehicles, this vinyl roof and other models can start to sag over the years, but that's why Airstream is so synonymous with being just a long-lasting brand, is their use of metal throughout the vehicle. Moving kind of further back into your kitchen and then kind of into your living area, you do have a fridge set up right here. So there's your little fridge. Actually, a lot of space, a nice freezer spot up top. And then Airstream, again, trying to maximize every inch they can. So all this extra storage for your kitchen, whether it's for spices or for bowls or plates or cups, again, it makes stuff a lot easier. Again, you have to kind of think about what you need and what you don't need, but definitely a lot of room for the necessities. Moving further back, microwave here, and then storage all along the rear. So you do have these extra storage pieces, 2 control systems up around this corner here. So what these do is they control all of your lights, pretty much every system in the vehicle. You can change all of your lighting here, all of your shades are automatic, your shades up and down. You can close your vents, your water pump, your tank heater, your battery switch, all controlled right from this screen. You do have a adjustable TV which releases from here, and you can kind of move throughout the cabin. And then kind of coming into this sitting area, this is your main living area and then sleeping area as well. Now, what's also unique and brand new to this Airstream model is a fully automatic bed. So what that means is that there's switches right up here on the left. Your 2 ottomans are both on this end, so these 2 come together, and I'll try not to squeeze myself in when I do it, but these 2 come together, and then this main bed folds out here. So what that means, and I'll do it completely just to show you what it looks like, you fold this flat. I got a little bit of extra floor mats stored in the back there, and then these 2 come together, and then those cushions that are up on the side fold flat. So from the kitchen area all the way back is your bed. Lots of space, incredibly comfortable. That beautiful leather from Airstream, just an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous piece. So let's hop back outside. We'll take a final look at the vehicle. Let's take a look. So again, a nice little look at our sliding door setup here. Great design from Airstream. This again has been our 2020 Airstream Interstate 19 4x4. Again, we're Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, and Airstream in Scarborough, Maine. We do have 2 4x4 units, twin models, available for immediate sale and delivery anywhere in the United States. Happy to answer any questions you have. You can post questions in the comments. You can like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, things you'd like to see, questions you'd like, you can post them in the comments, or my contact information is available. You can reach me directly on my cell phone. It's 207-210-4796. I am available via email as well. It's sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Once again, we're Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, and Airstream. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.